How to change profile name on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change profile name on TikTok. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, just tap on edit button, which can be seen in the top side of the screen. And now here, once you see the interface like this, what you can do is you can just tap on the name field, and after that you can simply delete the current name, and after that you can just type the new profile name that you want to use. And here, once you're done entering the name, and here what you can do is you can just tap on save button, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. Now here, once you tap on it, your new name will be updated. But keep in mind that on TikTok you can usually change your name once in every 7 days, so choose your name you are happy with. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.